In the heart of Honduras, in the fertile Jamastran Valley, a legend was born. A seed smuggled from the famed Volta Abajo region of Cuba found a new home. This wasn't just any seed. It was the original Corojo, the ghost pepper of the tobacco world, renowned for its unparalleled spice, robustness, and character. This is the story of the Camacho Corojo, a cigar that defies convention and defines boldness. The journey begins in the soil, kissed by the tropical sun and nourished by the rich earth. Here, the authentic Corojo seed is cultivated, a process that requires immense patience and expertise. Unlike hybrids grown elsewhere, Camacho's Corojo is the real deal, a 100% purebred original, preserved against all odds. It's a testament to a legacy, a commitment to authenticity that you can taste in every puff. Imagine skilled hands, weathered by years of dedication, selecting only the finest leaves. Each leaf is a story, a chapter in the cigar's life. The tobacco is then meticulously fermented and aged, a slow, deliberate process that coaxes out its complex flavors. It's not rushed. Perfection can't be. The factory floor hums with a quiet rhythm as master rollers, the true artists of this craft, bring the cigar to life. Their movements are precise, a dance of tradition passed down through generations. They bunch the filler, bind it, and wrap it in the flawless, oily Corojo wrapper that gives the cigar its signature reddish-brown hue. This is where craftsmanship meets passion. The result is a work of art, a puro built from 100% Corojo, from filler to wrapper. It's a bold statement in a world of mild blends. When you hold a Camacho Corojo, you're holding more than just a cigar. You're holding a piece of history. The iconic scorpion band is a symbol of its power, its unyielding spirit. It's a warning and an invitation, daring you to experience its full-bodied intensity. Let's talk about the experience. Upon lighting, the first draw is an awakening. A blast of pepper and spice hits the palate, bold and unapologetic. But as the burn progresses, the complexity unfolds. The initial intensity mellows into a rich tapestry of flavors. Notes of cedar, earth, and leather emerge, weaving a sophisticated and balanced profile. There's a subtle sweetness, a hint of citrus zest, that cuts through the richness, keeping the experience dynamic and engaging from start to finish. The smoke is thick, aromatic, and satisfying, a cloud of pure tobacco perfection. The Camacho Corojo is not for the faint of heart. It's for the bold, the originals, the ones who live life on their own terms. It's for those who appreciate the skill, the heritage, and the unadulterated power of pure Corojo tobacco. It's a celebration of living loud, of embracing intensity, and of savoring a truly unique and unforgettable smoke. From the sun-drenched fields of Honduras to the expert hands of its rollers. Every step in the creation of a Camacho Corojo is guided by a singular vision to deliver an authentic, full-on flavor experience. It's a legacy built on a legendary seed, perfected through unwavering craftsmanship. This is the art of tobacco perfection. This is Camacho